This is my second visit to Prayoga. The work that Prayoga is doing is path breaking because it helps us as educators, as policymakers, as parents, and as well as teachers and kids who are learning. It helps all of these important stakeholders in the education ecosystem to re-understand and rethink of how education is transmitted.